Oh, thank you. Sit on your bottom, please. Yeah. Can you go clean your toy? Go clean your toy. Oh, nice. Good job. Too bad Mommy already did it, because I could have saved myself some time. What else you gonna clean? Oh, pretty.
Mommy.
Yes. Why? Mommy doesn't need to be cleaned. Where are you going? You gonna clean your books? Clean your books. Oh, you okay? And are you done cleaning? Are you coming back? Ella? Are you cleaning or what? If you're, don't hold a dirty spot. Clean it. Oh, good job.
Clean book. Clean your book. There you go.
Can you clean the front door? Where's the door? Over there. Go clean the door. You're going the wrong way.